Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Learning. This is your digital learning platform, and today I have brought a chapter, Atithi or Guest, written by Rabindranath Tagore, and this particular chapter is a part of ISC class 12. So बहुत ही लेंदी chapter है. So without wasting any more time, let's look into the chapter. टोटल 6 पार्ट में ये चैप्टर जो है ये डिवाइड है. तो दिखता है एक वीडियो में कितना हम लोग कर पाएंगे. ज्यादा लेंदी वीडियो मैं नहीं करूंगा, यही कुछ 20-25 या फिर मैक्सिमम 30 मिनट का जो है वो वीडियो रहेगा. ठीक है. सो एवरीबडी प्लीज टेक योर बुक एंड टेक अ पेंसिल so that you can scribble down all the points that I'm going to tell you. That would help you a lot in your examination. Okay. So see, the first part is telling about a zamindar of Kathalia, Motilal Babu. So Motilal Babu, zamindar of Kathalia, was returning home with his family by boat. One afternoon, he moved the boat near a riverside market so that their meal could be prepared. So यहाँ से MCQ आ सकता है कि एकदम पहले ही हम लोगों को यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया जा रहा है एक मोतीलाल बाबू से, जो कि काठालिया नाम का एक गांव है, वहां का जमींदार है. एंड वन डे ही वाज रिटर्निंग विद हिज फैमिली बाय बोट. और जब आफ्टरनून हुआ तो उन्होंने क्या किया, ऑर्डर दिया कि चलो भाई बोट को रिवर साइड में लगा दो, बिकॉज देयर मिल्स should be prepared. A Brahmin boy came over and asked, "Where are you going, Babu?" The boy was not more than 15 or 16. So see the pace of the story. बहुत ही स्पीड में ये स्टोरी जो है वो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है. तो मोतीलाल बाबू फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर है, सेकंड कैरेक्टर एक ब्राह्मीण बॉय तब वहां पे आया और आके उन्होंने पूछा कि आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो. एंड द बॉय वॉज नॉट मोर देन 15 और 16. काठालिया रिप्लाइड मोतीलाल बाबू. मोतीलाल बाबू ने रिप्लाई किया कि हम लोग काठालिया जा रहे. कुड यू ड्रॉप मी एट नंदीग्राम ऑन द वे. सो नंदीग्राम यानी कि उस वे में नंदीग्राम जो है विलेज वो पहले आएगा, उसके बाद काठालिया आएगा. इसीलिए ब्राह्मीण बॉय ने मोतीलाल बाबू से कहा कि ठीक है आप लोग तो काठालिया जा रहे तो क्या आप मुझे नंदीग्राम में उतार दोगे. कुड यू ड्रॉप मी एट नंदीग्राम ऑन द वे. मोतीलाल कंसेंटेड या ही अग्रीड. व्हाट्स योर नेम ही आस्क्ड. पूछा तारापौधो. सेड द बॉय. द फेयर स्किन्ड बॉय वाज ब्यूटीफुल टू look at. So यहाँ पे first of all we are getting the characteristics right. It has already been written over here. My student has written it down. See this one, Motilal Babu. Okay, frank and flexible. So we can say that Motilal Babu is also very frank and the Brahmin boy is also very frank, and both of them are flexible. So the name of the boy was Tarapodo. And now we are coming to the description of Tarapodo. The fair-skinned boy was beautiful to look at. His smile and his large eyes indicate intelligence. Okay, had the grace of youth. His body bare except for a stained dhoti. That means he was very down to earth. He was wearing a dhoti which was stained, was free of any excess, as if lovingly carved by a sculptor, or as if in a previous life he had been a young sage whose pure religious devotion had removed all the grossness, honed him to gleaming Brahminical perfection. So यहाँ पे ये जो पूरा पैराग्राफ है, this paragraph describes the appearance of Tarapodo, that he was fair skinned and he had large eyes, that indicates like intelligence, and he was wearing a plain dhoti. He was very down to earth. Okay, come and wash, Baba. Wash means आओ आप और हाथ मुंह धो लो. said Motilal Babu tenderly. You can eat with us. So this is the soft side or soft corner of Motilal Babu. First of all, Motilal Babu is a zamindar, but when a boy came and asked him for help, he did not refuse. Rather, Motilal Babu consented the boy that he should eat with them. So this is the soft side, or he was very kind. A sense of humanity is also being shown, and Motilal Babu is a good host. Motilal's servant was Hindustani. He was not very good at cutting a fish. So मोतीलाल बाबू का जो सर्वेंट था वो हिंदुस्तानी था. यहाँ पे मार्क करके रखो, ये MCQ आ सकता है. Tarapodo took over. That means when Tarapodo saw that he was unable to cut fish properly, Tarapodo just took over the job and soon had the dish ready and had cooked some vegetables too with practiced skill. So this particular sentence or this particular set of sentences indicate or show the quality of Tarapodo. Okay, Tarapodo was very flexible. When he saw that the servant of the Motilal Babu was unable to cut the fish, he just took over the job and he cut by himself. Not only he cut the fish, even he cooked the fish and along with some vegetables with his skilled hand. That means Tarapodo knew cooking also, or he was a good chef, we can say. He then took a dip in the river and opening his bundle means kind of jhola that he was carrying, produced a clean white garment at small wooden comb. MCQ के लिए मार्क कर लो, उसमें क्या था, उसमें एक व्हाइट गारमेंट था और एक छोटा सा जो है छोटा सा एक कॉम्ब भी था उस पोटले के अंदर, उस झोले के अंदर. Okay, he slicked his long hair away from his forehead and down to his neck, adjusted his glistening sacred thread. ग्लिस्टनिंग सैक्रेड थ्रेड मतलब जिसे बंगाली में पोइते कहते हैं, ठीक है. दे बेसिकली द ब्राह्मण्स बेसिकली यूज टू वेयर अ काइंड ऑफ, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ थ्रेड, एक होता है जो अपने गले में वो लोग कंधे में जो कि रखते हैं वो लोग. एंड स्टेप्ड ऑन टू द बोट. मोतीलाल बाबू इनवाइटेड हिम इनटू द केबिन, हिज वाइफ एंड हिज 9-year-old daughter. So Motilal Babu was journeying with his wife and his daughter who was 9-year-old. Okay, his wife Annapurna was, name of the wife of Motilal Babu was Annapurna. His wife Annapurna was tenderly attracted to the boy when she saw him and wondered whose child is he. As soon as Annapurna saw the Brahmin boy Tarapodo, she was very much wondered and she started thinking whose child is he, कौन है वो, where has he come from, कहाँ से आया है वो, how could his mother bear to abandon him, कि कैसे एक छोटा सा बच्चा, इतना प्यारा बच्चा है जो कि 15-16 साल का है, कैसे उसके मम्मी पापा ने उसे छोड़ दिया है. She placed mats for Motilal and the boy to sit on side by side. The boy was not a big eater. This is also a quality of the boy, that the boy was not a big eater. That means the boy did not eat much. Annapurna felt he must be shy and tried to get him to eat this or that, but when he had finished, he would not be tempted to more. So अन्नपूर्णा ने ये सोचा, मोतीलाल बाबू का वाइफ, कि शायद वो बच्चा शर्मा रहा है, तो वो फोर्स करने लगा कि नहीं बेटा ये खाओ वो खाओ. लेकिन उस बच्चे का जब तारापौधों का जब पेट भर गया, वो और नहीं खाया. He clearly did everything according to his own wish. That means he was his own master. Okay, उनके मन में, उस बच्चे के मन में जो आया उन्होंने बस वही किया. But with such ease that there was nothing assertive about him. He was not at all shy. So this is also another quality of Tarapodo, that he was not at all a shy boy. When everyone had eaten, Annapurna sat him next to her and asked his background. So Annapurna, from the very beginning we came to know that Annapurna was bit attracted by the boy, the Brahmin boy Tarapodo. So when they had finished their eating, Annapurna sat beside him and started asking him various questions about his family and about his family background. She did not gather much. That means though she tried a lot, but she could not take out much information from Tarapodo. That means we can say that he was very introvert also, कि वो बात कम करता है या फिर वो जो भी बात है वो अपने अंदर ही छुपा के रखता है. All she could establish was that the boy had run away from home on his own volition. Volition मतलब choice. Okay, at the age of 7 or 8. यहाँ से भी MCQ आ सकता है. उन्होंने बस इतना पता कर पाया अन्नपूर्णा ने कि वो जो बच्चा है, वो बच्चा, उस बच्चे का जब 7-8 साल उम्र था तब वो अपने विश से, अपनी इच्छा से वो घर छोड़ दिया है. Is not your mother alive? asked Annapurna, and then Annapurna thought that his mother must not be alive. तो उन्होंने पूछा, क्या तुम्हारा माँ जिंदा नहीं है? She is, said Tarapodo. Does not she love you? asked Annapurna. Tarapodo seemed to find this question peculiar, and Tarapodo could not understand. Tarapodo could not make out what kind of silly question it was. Why should not she love me? He said, laughing. वो मुझे क्यों प्यार नहीं करेगी? वो मेरी माँ है. Then why did you leave her? लेकिन तो फिर तुमने घर क्यों छोड़ दिया? said Annapurna. She has 4 more sons and 3 daughters, said तारापदो। तारापदो ने कहा लेकिन मेरी मम्मी का जो है और 4 बेटा और 3 बेटी है। ओके यानी कि टोटल 5 बेटा और 3 बेटी है। तारापदो वॉज यंग सो हिज लाइफ स्टोरी वॉज ब्रीफ। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक लाइन है, सिग्निफिकेंट एक लाइन है। तारापदो का अभी उम्र ही 15 16 साल, सो उसका जो लाइफ स्टोरी है वो भी छोटा ही होगा। बट द बॉय वॉज अ कंप्लीट ओरिजिनल, दैट मीन्स वन कैन नॉट फाइंड मतलब कोई वो बच्चा जो है तारापदो जो है वो जो करता है वो अपने मन से करता है और प्योरली करता है। ओके उसके अंदर दिखावटी जो है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ही वॉज अ कंप्लीट ओरिजिनल ह्यूमन बीइंग। ही वॉज हिज पेरेंट्स फोर्थ सन, एमसीक्यू के लिए मार्क करके रखो, एंड वॉज स्टिल अ बेबी व्हेन हिज फादर डाइड, दैट मीन्स तारापदो का पापा नहीं है। डिस्पाइट देयर बीइंग सो मेनी इन द हाउस, तारापदो वॉज द डार्लिंग ऑफ ऑल, mother, brothers, sisters, and the neighbors doted on him. That means total 8 children were there, but among them Tarapodo was the apple of eye of everyone. होता है ना कभी कभार कि हम लोग के कजिन में पर्टिकुलर कोई दीदी या फिर भाई या फिर बहन होते हैं जिनका हम थोड़ा ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं, थोड़ा ज्यादा हम लोग मतलब लाइक वैल्यू देते हैं। तो ऐसा है तारापदो वाज सच ए काइंड ऑफ बॉय जिसको सब कोई प्यार करता था, बहुत सारा बच्चा था वहां पे, उसके बावजूद भी तारापदो वाज द डार्लिंग ऑफ एवरीवन, सो मच सो दैट his tutor never beat him. Everyone would have been appalled if he had. There was no reason for him to leave. यानी कि वो इतना प्यारा था बच्चा कि उनका टीचर जो था उन्होंने भी कभी उसे मारा नहीं. So everything was perfect in the family of Tarapodo. It was not like that he was not loved by family member. It was not like that he was not treated well in the family. Everything was perfect, but still Tarapodo had left the house at the age of 7 or 8. So it also shows that Tarapodo was brave and risk taker, because right now when Tarapodo met Motilal Babu, at that time he is 15 or 16 years old, but long ago he had left the house. That means when he was 7 or 8 years old. So at the age of, it is not very easy to to leave home at the age of 7 or 8, right? So Tarapodo is a risk taker. Half-starved boys who constantly stole fruit from trees and were thrashed by the owners of the trees, they never strayed from the village or their scolding mothers. यानी कि जो बच्चा सब होता है जो कि भूखा रहता है, वो दूसरों के पेड़ से फल चोरी करके खाता है, अपने घर वालों से मार खाता है, उन लोगों ने भी कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि मैं घर छोड़कर चला जाऊंगा। लेकिन ये जो बच्चा है तारापौधो, इसके घर में सब कुछ परफेक्ट था, सब कुछ अच्छा था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी 7-8 साल की उम्र में वो बेचारा घर छोड़ दिया। बट दिस डार्लिंग ऑफ एवरीवन जॉइंड अ touring jatra troupe and left his village without a thought. So he was full of promptness. देखो वहां पे लिखा हुआ है कि लेकिन क्या हुआ कि एक बार एक यात्रा ट्रूप जो है जो गांव-गांव में स्टेज थिएटर करके मतलब करता है। हालांकि यात्रा और थिएटर ये दो अलग फॉर्म है, इनके बारे में बाद में किसी दिन मैं बताऊंगा, लेकिन काइंड ऑफ एक्टिंग ऑन स्टेज इतना जान लो। तो उस ट्रूप के साथ वो निकल गया। दैट मीन्स एज सुन एज ही सॉ द ट्रूप ही टुक डिसीजन, राइट? दैट मीन्स ही इज अ क्विक डिसीजन मेकर। सर्च पार्टीज वेंट आउट एंड ही वॉज ब्रॉट बैक। सो उनके मम्मी पापा जो थे वो बहुत टेंस्ड थे, तो सर्च पार्टीज निकला और उनको मिल गया। हिज मदर प्रेज्ड हिम टू हर ब्रेस्ट एंड ड्रेंस्ड हिम विद टीयर्स। दैट मीन्स उनके मम्मी ने उसे पकड़ के बहुत 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 ज्यादा रोई। हिज सिस्टर्स वेप्ट टू। His elder brothers tried to perform his duty as guardian, but he soon abandoned his feeble attempts at discipline and welcomed him back with open arms. उनके जो भाई थे उन लोगों ने भी गार्जियन के जैसा बिहेव करने लगा और फाइनली तारापौधो को वेलकम होम कर लिया। Women invited him to their houses, plied him with ever greater displays of attraction, but he would not accept ties. यानी कि कि मतलब नेबर में जो सब औरत थी वो सब बुलाई किसको, तारापौधो को। लेकिन तारापौधो को वो पसंद नहीं था, कि इतना टाइज उसे पसंद नहीं था। ओके, वुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट टाइज, इवन टाइज ऑफ लव। हिज स्टार्स हैड मेड हिम अ wanderer, सो इट वाज समथिंग, इट वाज, आई मीन, इन हिज डेस्टिनी, कि उसे जितना भी प्यार दे दो, उसे जितना भी तुम अपने पास संभाल के रखो, एकदम अपने सीने से लगा के रखो, कि उसके मन में या फिर उसके भाग्य में जो है वो वंडरर होना ही है, कि वो इधर उधर घूमता रहेगा। ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक लाइन है, मार्क कर लो। हिज स्टार्स हैड मेड हिम अ wanderer. If he saw strange boats on the river, or a sannyasi from a distant region under the local people tree, or if a gypsies sat by the river making mats or wicker basket, his heart would stir with longing to be free, to explore the outside world. तो अगर वो कभी भी देखा कि स्ट्रेंज बोट है रिवर पे, या फिर जिप्सीज जो है, वॉन्डरर्स, ग्रुप ऑफ वॉन्डर्स, वो लोग कुछ कर रहा है, या फिर कोई सन्यासी को, उनका उनके मन में भी ना एक इच्छा होता था कि मैं भी इन लोगों की तरह मैं इधर उधर घूमता रहूं, मैं ये दुनिया जो है, पूरा दुनिया को मैं एक्सप्लोर कर सकूं। And after he had run away 2 or 3 times, family and villagers gave up hope. So यहाँ से भी एमसीक्यू आ सकता है, यानी कि तारापौधो लगभग 2-3 बार घर से निकल गया था, उनको ढूंढ के लाया गया, तो 2-3 बार 4 बार जब हो गया तो फैमिली ने भी गिव अप कर दिया, नहीं इस बच्चे को अब हम लोग घर में नहीं रख सकते, क्योंकि इनका मन ही है बाहर जाने का। ओके, again, he joined a Jatra troupe at first, but when the master of the troupe began to treat him almost as a son, and the members of the troupe, young and old, had all fallen for him, and even the people in the houses where they performed, especially the women, began to make special fuss on him, one day without saying a word, he disappeared and could not be found. तो अब देखो, पहले हम लोग ये पता चल गया कि तारापौधो जो है, ही इज वेरी एडोरेबल, ही इज वेरी लवेबल, ही इज द एप्पल ऑफ एवरीवन्स आईज। ओके, सो ही जॉइंड द Jatra troupe. Even the head of the Jatra troupe, or the master of the Jatra troupe, started feeling a kind of soft corner for Tarapauda. And not only he, I mean, even rather all the members, those who were there in the troupe, even especially the women, they also felt a kind of attraction towards तारापौधो। और इससे पहले जो स्टैंजा हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, वहां पे हम लोगों को ये पता चल गया कि तारापौधो डज नॉट लाइक एनी काइंड ऑफ बाउंडेशन, तारापौधो डज नॉट लाइक एनी काइंड ऑफ ties. It might be any ties, any love ties, or whatever it might be. So तारापौधो को मान लो कि suffocation होने लगा, and one day without saying a word, he did not at all inform them and disappeared, and he was not found at all. Tarapadu was as wary of ties as a young fawn, and was also like a deer in his love for music. The songs of the Jatra were what had first lured him away from home. यानी कि गाना उसे बहुत पसंद था, और जात्रा ट्रुप का जो गाना है वही गाना उसे मोटिवेट किया था, या फिर खींचा था कि आप घर से बाहर आ जाओ। मेलोडी सेंट अ ट्रेम्बलिंग थ्रू हिज वेन्स एंड रिदम मेड हिज बॉडी स्विंग, कि मानो कि गाना जो है वो उसके शरीर के अंग अंग में, खून खून में, रग रग में एकदम बहता था। Impelled by this passion of music, it was not long before he had joined a group of Panchali singers. So फर्स्ट उन्होंने क्या ज्वाइन किया, जात्रा ट्रूप, देन क्या ज्वाइन किया, पांचाली सिंगर। द लीडर ऑफ द ग्रुप केयरफुली टॉट हिम सॉन्ग एंड ट्रेन्ड हिम टू रिसाइट पांचाली बाय हार्ट। सो द लीडर ऑफ द ग्रुप, ही टॉट हिम सॉन्ग एंड टॉट हिम हाउ टू रिसाइट बाय हार्ट। ही टू बिगैन टू लव हिम एज अ सन। तो इतना प्यारा था तारापौधो कि वो मास्टर भी उसे प्यार करने लगा अपने बच्चे के जैसा। लाइक अ पेट cage bird, Tarapado learnt a few songs and then one morning flew away. तो यहाँ से भी तारापौधो एक दिन भाग गया। Finally he joined a troupe of gymnasts. From Jaishtha to Asar, a fair toured the district. Jatra troops, Panchali singers, bards, dancers, and stall holders traveled by the boat from one side to another. So finally he joined what? Finally he joined a troop of gymnasts. Okay, ज्येष्ठ टू आषाढ़ ये एक महीना होता है बंगाली का महीना, तो उस टाइम क्या होता है कि मतलब में जात्रा ट्रूप या फिर पांचाली सिंगर्स, बर्ड्स, dancers, stall holders, they basically travel from one side to another side by boat. For a second year running, this round of entertainment included a small gymnast troupe from Calcutta. So आप लोग जब कैलकाटा लिखोगे, हालांकि कैलकाटा बुक में लिखा हुआ है तो कैलकाटा लिख के ब्रैकेट में कोलकाता, द प्रेजेंट जो स्पेलिंग है वो लिख के देना. At first, Tarapada joined the stallholder, sold pan at the fair, so mark it for MCQ. But then his natural curiosity drew him to the wonderful skills of the gymnast, and he joined the troupe. He had taught himself play the flute very well, so he was self-taught. Another quality or characteristic, during the gymnastic display, he had to play Lucknow Thumris at the top speed on the flute. This was his ओनली टास्क. सो वो जब जिम्नास्ट ग्रुप में था तो उसका टास्क क्या था, ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. इट वॉज फ्रॉम this troop that he had most recently absconded. He had heard that the zamindars at Nandigram had founded on a lavish scale a amateur jatra group. Amateur matlab non-professional jatra group. Okay, so he tied up his bundle and headed for the place, meeting Motilal Babu on his way. So very recently he was absconded from the jatra troupe. And then he came to know about the Jatra troupe that was founded at Nandigram by the Zamindar over there. That means who is Motilal Babu. And he just उन्होंने अपना पोटला लिया और उस तरफ चल बसा. तो उन्होंने बस अपना पोटला लिया और he started going to Nandigram. Okay. So now, despite these connections with various groups, his nature had not been corrupted by any. That means firmness. He was very firm. Though he mixed up with various kind of groups, but he did not lose here his originality. He was deep down entirely detached and free. So the foul language he had heard, the dreadful sights he had seen, had not fixed themselves in his mind. They passed him by. He remained unbounded by any kind of habit or custom. So very important, he had self-control. He was not, like bounded by any kind of habit or custom. He swam in the murky waters of the world with pure white wings like a swan. So that means यहाँ पे simile यूज किया गया है प्लस एक visual imagery भी यूज किया गया है कि मान लो कि इस वर्ल्ड को एक मर्की वाटर के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है. मर्की, दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड यू गॉट इन क्लास 11 in the chapter Avisara, right? And he was like a white swan. However, many times his curiosity made him dive in. His wings could not be soaked or soiled. So once again he had self control. कि क्यूरियोसिटी के लिए कभी कभार उन्होंने क्या किया था, ये जो बहुत सारा ग्रुप है इसके साथ मिला जुला था, लेकिन कभी भी वो बह नहीं गया. He never lost his originality. There was a pure and natural innocence in his runway boy's expression. So much so that the worldly wise Motilal Babu invited him in without doubt or question and with great tenderness. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये बताया जा रहा है कि उनके वो इतना सॉफ्ट था या फिर उनका ऑनेस्टी इतना ज्यादा था कि मोतीलाल बाबू डिड नॉट इवन डाउट ऑन हिम. पहली ही मुलाकात में मोतीलाल बाबू ने उन्हें बुला लिया था अपने केबिन पे कि आओ आप यहीं पे खाना खाना. तो यहाँ पे पहला जो पार्ट है वो खत्म होता है. अब हम लोग शुरू करेंगे पार्ट 2. सो अब देखो पार्ट 2 में क्या बताया जा रहा है. इन द आफ्टरनून द बोट सेट सेल. आफ्टरनून को फिर बोट चलता गया. अन्नपूर्णा कंटिन्यूड टू आस्क द बॉय काइंड क्वेश्चन अबाउट हिज होम एंड फैमिली. सो अन्नपूर्णा kept asking him about the questions about his home and family. He answered laconically and then went out on desk to escape. यानी कि unwillingly, meaning वहां पे लिखा हुआ है कि unwillingly he answered. He was not at all willing to answer her, but as she was an elderly woman, that is the reason he was answering. And finally He was irritated and he went out on the desk to escape all kind of questions asked by Annapurna. Tarapada took refuge on the roof of the boat in the shade the cell. Sloping pastures, flooded jute fields, green rippling late autumn paddy, narrow paths leading from ghats and villages shaded by encircling foliage came one by one into his view. So that means he is a nemophilist. Okay, he is a nemophilist. When he was on the roof of the deck, he could observe, he was observing each and every bit of natural beauty. कि flooded jute field था वहां पे, green rippling late autumn paddy था, यानी कि धान जो होता है धान था, ठीक है, एक घाट की तरफ एक रास्ता चला गया वो था, foliage था यानी कि वेरियस काइंड ऑफ ट्रीज लीव्स वो सब था, तो हर चीज हर एक नेचुरल एलिमेंट वो देख रहा था. सो ही वाज अ नेमोफिलिस. दैट मींस he had a kind of obsession towards nature. To this water, earth and sky, this movement of life and sound, these varied levels and vast vistas, to these huge immovable mute unblinking natural world, the boy was intimately linked. So यहाँ पे एकदम clearly ये बताया गया है कि he was a nature lover. He was a nature lover. He had another kind of link with the natural elements. As he sat, he soon got talking with the helmsman and oarsman. Sometimes he took the oars and punted the boat himself. When the helmsman needed smoke, he would take a tiller. When the sail needed to be turned, he helped skillfully. So यहाँ पे और एक क्वालिटी बताया जा रहा है कि he could even sail boat. Just before dusk, Annapurna called Tarapada and asked, "What do you like to eat at night?" "Whatever I get," said Tarapada. "I do not eat every day." So Tarapada did not have any demand. He was very flexible. Okay, he said that whatever I get, I eat. Even sometimes I don't even eat. She felt disturbed by this beautiful Brahmin boy indifference to her hospitality. अब यहाँ पे जाके अन्नपूर्णा को थोड़ा अनईजी फील हो रहा था, बिकॉज वो बहुत सेवा करना चाह रही थी, लेकिन वो बच्चा जो है ब्राह्मण बॉय तारापद जो है, he was not at all interested to take her hospitality. Okay, she longed to feed she longs to feed, clothe, and give succor to him, but she could not discover how to please. So she tried a lot, but she could not at all discover how to please the boy. She ostentatiously, that means but hurriedly, sent her servants to buy milk and sweet. Mark for MCQ. Tarapada ate the sweet willingly enough, but he would not touch the milk. So Tarapada ate the sweet. So मिठाई जो है वो उन्होंने खाया, लेकिन मिल्क जो है उन्होंने टच नहीं किया. Even the Takitra Motilal urged him to drink in, but he simply replied, "I don't like it." So Takitra means introvert. Motilal Babu मतलब ठीक मतलब ज्यादा बात नहीं करता है, लेकिन मोतीलाल बाबू ने भी उस दिन तारापद को ये किया, रिक्वेस्ट किया कि नहीं बेटा तुम ये दूध पी लो, लेकिन तारापद ने क्लियरली कह दिया कि आई डोंट लाइक इट. सो ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. 3 days passed. Tarapada expertly joined in everything from the cooking and shopping to the sailing of the boat. Anything he saw interested him. Any work that he did absorbed him. His sight, his hands, his mind were ever active. So one more quality, activeness, that he was very spirited, he was very active boy. Like nature herself, he was always serene and detached, yet always busy. People usually dwell in a fixed place, but Tarapada was like a joyous wave on life's unending stream. Past or future meant nothing. Moving forward was the only thing that mattered. So Tarapada was like a joyous wave. कि आप लोग सी पे गए हो समुद्र पे, वहां पे देखते हो ना कितना joyous wave पे happily waves आता है, फिर से रिटर्न चला जाता है. So Tarapada was exactly like this. Never ever he was tensed about his past or future. What he understands the meaning of life, that the main motive or the main meaning of life is to progress, कि आगे चलते जाओ, बढ़ता जाओ. By mixing with various groups, he had learned all sorts of delightful accomplishment. यानी कि he was a good learner. Things were stamped on his mind with astonishing ease, unconcluded as it was by any kind of worry. He knew Panchali, folk tales, kirtan and long pieces of yatras. MCQ के लिए मार्क कर लो यहाँ पे. ऐसा आ सकता है कि ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा चीज है जो तारापौधो को नहीं पता था. ठीक है. मोतीलाल बाबू habitually read the Ramayana to his wife and daughter. One evening he had just got to the story of Kush and love when Tarapodo, unable to restrain himself, came down from the roof of the boat and said, "Put the book away. I know a song about Kush and love. Listen." So एक दिन क्या हुआ, तारापौधो, हालांकि तारापौधो जनरली अपनी पत्नी को और बेटी को रामायण पढ़ के सुनाता था. ठीक है. तो एक दिन वो लव कुश का जो गाना है, कहानी है, वो शुरू किया. तो ऊपर था उस टाइम तारापौधो, रूफ के ऊपर था बोट के. वो सुन के खुद को रोक नहीं पाया और वो नीचे आ गया. कहा नहीं, आप ये किताब बंद कर दो. आई नो अ सॉन्ग ऑफ कुश एंड लव एंड आई एम सिंगिंग, यू प्लीज लिसन. दैट मीन्स ही नोज स्क्रिप्चर्स ऑल्सो. वन मोर क्वालिटी. ही बिगेन अ पांचाली. द वर्ड्स स्वीट एज अ फ्लूट फ्लोट ऑन स्विफ्टली. द हेम्समैन एंड वर्ड्समैन केम एंड peered through the door of the cabin. As dusk fell, a stream of laughter, pathos, and music spread through the evening air. The banks became alert, and the people in passing boats were lured for a moment and strained their ears to listen. That means he was singing so sweetly, and his voice was mixing with the air that it was creating a beautiful ambience. Okay, even all the boats that were passing, all the passengers of other boats, they were putting their ears to listen that who is the boy who is singing in such a kind of sweet and delicious voice. When the Panchali had finished, everyone sighed deeply, wishing it would last forever. कि वो जब खत्म हो गया, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, बस और कुछ टाइम होता तो अच्छा होता. Okay, the tearful Annapurna longed to take the boy and press him to her breast and bury her face in his hair. Motilal Babu thought, if I could somehow keep this boy, he would make up for my having no son. So Motilal Babu was having another plan. He was thinking to keep तारापौधो विथ हिम. क्योंकि उनका एक बेटी है, बेटा नहीं है. तो अगर तारापौधो को वो रख सकता है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी उनका जो वाइफ है अन्नपूर्णा, शी इज वेरी मच अटैच्ड विद द बॉय. तो अगर वो तारापौधो को रख सकता है तो उनका बेटे का जो कमी है वो फुलफिल हो जाएगा. द लिटिल गर्ल चारू शशि इज द डॉटर ऑफ अन्नपूर्णा एंड मोतीलाल बाबू. ओके, चारू शशि दो वॉज फुल ऑफ एनवी एंड जेलसी. लेकिन चारू शशि जो है वो इस बात को लेके बहुत ज्यादा एनवी और जेलसी फील कर रहा था. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग इतना तक ही देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट पार्ट करेंगे. सो प्लीज, इफ यू हैव लाइक द वीडियो, प्रेस द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड शेयर द लिंक विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. राइट, टाटा, बाय बाय, सी यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.